Did life evolve from non-life? Xiefeng. Let's examine the validity of the evolutionists' perspective, with Darwin as their pioneer, on the origin of species. Upon rejecting the Big Bang theory and the notion of life arising accidentally from water, and upon analyzing the theory of evolution, we realize its shaky foundation. Without the birth of life, can evolution truly exist? Where do eggs come from without chickens? And without eggs, where does the chicken come from? Like how DNA formation depends on protein formation, without initial protein presence, DNA cannot form. Which came first, protein or DNA? The core tenets of the theory of evolution are as follows. Before evolution, there must be at least one or several lives. These one or several lives have evolved into a diverse array of life forms on Earth today. Organism evolution results from heredity, variation, and natural selection. Evolution follows the logic of natural selection, survival of the fittest, the law of the jungle, selecting the superior and eliminating the inferior. When a species cannot adapt to its environment, or when the environment does not support a species' survival, it evolves into another species. Due to brutal competition and survival of the fittest, the weak are naturally eliminated, leaving behind only the strong. This implies that low-energy forms fade while high-energy forms emerge. From these aspects, we can deduce the following. Earthworms, flies, turtles, dung beetles, cobras, dogs, humans, etc., originate from the same ancestor. Due to deteriorating ecological conditions, to ensure species reproduction, some dinosaurs evolved into humans, while others became lions and wolves. Since weaker organisms are naturally eliminated, all insects are weaker than birds and will evolve into birds or more powerful animals. Similarly, herbivores, weaker than carnivores, will evolve into carnivores for species reproduction. Carnivores, weaker than humans, will undoubtedly evolve into humans for survival. The final outcome of survival of the fittest is that all insects and animals will eventually evolve into humans. Regarding humans, the strong prey on the weak, and the fittest survive. People survive by plundering and killing each other. Strong nations only remain invincible by eliminating the weak. All plundering and killing wars in history align with the theory of evolution. Acts of kindness toward other species appear cruel within one's own race. Conversely, cruelty toward other species is seen as kindness within one's own race. Whether it's burning, killing, looting, or cheating, any means to eliminate the weak and strengthen oneself are justified. Hence, Hitler's actions were 100% correct. Humans will continue to evolve, eventually, wings will grow on their backs, eyes on the back of their heads, and they will breathe out fireworks and emit laser light from their eyes. Further analysis is unnecessary. Based on the 10 outcomes mentioned above, we can assess the viability of the theory of evolution. As we observe humans becoming smarter and more capable with each generation, we assume human evolution. However, this increased capability depends entirely on accumulated knowledge, and the essence of human life has remained unchanged since ancient times. Our genes, as human beings, have not changed. Our ancestors had 2 eyes, and we still do. Our blood was red then, and it remains red now. Our body structure has not gained or lost any organs or parts compared to our ancestors. If modern children could run like deer or zebras at birth, it would confirm human evolution. If monkeys and apes' brains are similar to humans in learning, memory, and thinking, we can deduce that humans evolved from monkeys. I will delve further into the topic of biological evolution in future chapters, particularly in the Greatest Creator chapter of Lifechanyuan. I encourage you to continue contemplating this issue.